was dismissed. My charges were disorderly conduct and trespass. The Commonwealth of Kentucky decided today that it would be better to drop those charges than it would be to go to a jury trial. I want to tell everybody what happened because the jury trial didn't happen today. So, first of all, we went into court fully expecting the jurors to be there. There were no jurors there. The Commonwealth, the county attorney, Curtis Dotson, had filed a motion of continuance, and it seems as though it was granted sua sponte, and then it was taken back and we were granted a opportunity to argue before the court today at 1 why there shouldn't be a continuance. But when there's no jury present, the case is already decided, right? The motion for continuance has already been decided in the state's favor when there's no jury there. Because even if the judge ruled that there shouldn't be a motion to continue granted, well, where's the jury? How are we going to have the jury trial? So anyways, we went to court, and I'm going to give everybody a rundown of the events just so that everybody can understand a little bit about what happened in the jury trial or in the courtroom. But we are getting the footage, and so I want to save a little bit of some drama for when you see that footage. Basically what happened is we walked in. Mr. Foreman, my attorney, gave an excellent argument as to why the case should not be continued. The county attorney, Curtis Dotson, then gave his case as to why the trial should be continued, and the judge sided with Mr. Dotson. Now, then, the judge asked us, how can we get this resolved? It's been going on for so long, how can we get it resolved? We need it resolved ASAP, it needs to be dismissed, or it needs to go to a jury trial as soon as possible. So, Mr. Foreman told me, let's go back into the room and let's talk. We talked a little bit, and we came to the decision that there would be no resolution acceptable from our perspective besides a complete, unconditional dismissal. Long story short, we got precisely what we wanted. The Commonwealth has agreed to dismiss the charges unconditionally in 171 days from now. Now, I want everybody to keep in mind, this is not a deferral agreement. This is not a diversion agreement. I agreed to allow the prosecutor to dismiss the charges. The prosecutor agreed to dismiss the charges in 171 days. I don't have to stay out of trouble. I don't have to stroke any egos. I don't have to do anything. So we had a victory today. It is a huge win for freedom. It's a huge win for us. The only thing that I regret is that we do not have Mr. Dotson arguing against freedom to a jury, and we don't have that to show you. It's the only regret of mine that I have. But to be honest, I mean, this is the best that it can get. The only thing better would be a dismissal today, but he agreed today to dismiss it, and there's no conditions. He has to dismiss it. So with that being said, everybody, I want to thank everybody for following this. Look forward to the court footage because there is a lot of drama. I don't want anybody to get confused. There is a lot of drama in that court video that you're going to see. Heads were rolling, when we put it like that. So with that being said, everybody, I am going to, first off, I'm going to say goodbye to this place, this great city of Ashland. That's where we are right now. We're standing outside of the Marriott Hotel, the Delta. I want to say goodbye to Catlettsburg. Fortunately, we will not be returning to that place. But I want to say goodbye to everybody here. Thank you for being here. I want to say thank you to Ty, who's behind the camera right now. Thank you to Erica, who's sitting in her car waiting to go home. And I want to say thank you to Mr. Foreman as well and his associate that showed up and assisted me and fought tooth and nail for me to not sit in a cage and to have justice prevail, justice being, this case being dismissed. So everybody, with that being said, we are going to take off. We have got a 5-hour drive, really about a 6.5-hour drive, you know, and we're going to be doing that for the rest of the day. Look forward to a long format video coming up soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.